Good morning friends, welcome to Ankur IAS channel. Today we are practicing some MCQs of geography. We will practice it on regular basis. So you can join this channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Do not forget to like, share this video with as many friends and colleagues you have so that they will also get benefited from these lectures. Question number 1. Consider the following statements. First, the Narmada and the Tapi river flows from west to east through the rift valleys. Second, the Godavari is the largest river in the peninsular river system. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. So correct answer is B. Second is incorrect. Second is correct. First is incorrect. Because in first statement, the Narmada and Tapi rivers flow from east to west through the rift valleys, not from west to east. So that's why first is incorrect. Second is absolutely correct. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Consider the following statement. First, Krishna is the second largest peninsular river with the total length of 1401 km. Second, the river originates near Mahabaleshwar in Sahyadri and flows through Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. The right answer is A. First is correct, second is incorrect statements because the Krishna originates from Mahabaleshwar in Sahyadri and flows through Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, not Kerala. So that's why second is incorrect. First is absolutely right. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. First, lithosphere refers specifically to the combination of the core and the upper rigid mantle. Second, beneath the rigid layer of the lithosphere is a mantle zone in which the rocks are hot enough that they lose much of their strength and become plastic. This is called the asthenosphere. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. Correct answer is B. First is incorrect, as in lithosphere refers specifically to the combination of the crust, not core, and the upper rigid mantle. That's why first is incorrect, second is correct. This is lithosphere, crust and upper mantle. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. First, above the troposphere, the next layer is the stratosphere. It extends from the tropopause to about 100 km. Second, this is also known as ozone region as it contains maximum amount of the ozone in the atmosphere. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. The correct answer is B. First is incorrect because above the troposphere, the next layer is the stratosphere. It extends from the tropopause to about 50 km, not 100 km. So that's why first is incorrect. Second one is absolutely right. This is stratosphere, which extends from 10 to 50 km. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. First, mesosphere layer extends from 50 to 80 km from the stratopause. Second, the temperature increases on an average from 17 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. Hence, this is the hottest part in the Earth's atmosphere. Which of the above is or are incorrect? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. Correct answer is B. Second is incorrect. First is correct. Mesosphere layer extends from 50 to 80 km from the stratopause. Absolutely right. The temperature decreases, not increases. So that's why second is incorrect. Right? First is correct. The question is asking about incorrect. So that's why B is the right answer. Welcome to Ankur IAS channel, guys. These are the short lecture videos of geography MCQs. If you want to practice these lectures on a daily basis, these lectures containing quality MCQs, then you must subscribe, share and like this video so that whenever this premiere will on live, you will get a notification and you will practice these MCQs. Let's begin today's session. Question number 1. Consider the following statement. First, due to the difference in air pressure, when the condition of the air becomes unstable, the airflow starts in a cyclic form, and by increasing, it takes the form of severe storm. Then it is called cyclone and anticyclones. If there is a low air pressure in the center and high air pressure around it, then that cyclic whirlpool pushes the outside air towards the center. Third, the direction of the wind is counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere and clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 and 3, D1, 2 and 3. So correct answer is A. 3 is incorrect. 1 and 2 are correct because if there is a low air pressure in the center and high air pressure around it, then that cyclic whirlpool pushes the outside air towards the center and the direction of the wind is counterclockwise in northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. So that's why third is incorrect. 1 and 2 are absolutely correct. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. The tropical cyclone originate between the 6 degree to 15 degree latitude lines and move towards the poles. They are mainly generated at the end of summer and their speed is 15 km per hour, 25 km from it occurs. Second, their size is small than that of temperate zone cyclones. Third, the Bay of Bengal, where their local name is tornadoes. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 and 3, D1, 2 and 3. correct answer is D. All the statements are correct. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. First, extratropical cyclones from along the polar front. In the beginning, the front is stationary in the northern hemisphere. Cold air blows from the south of the front and cold from the north. Second, in the cyclone, the warm air zone or warm section is found between the cold front and the last cold section. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. You can give your answer in a live chat. The correct answer is C. All the statements are correct. So that's why both the statements are right. So C is a right answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. First, salinity means the total content of dissolved salts in the sea or ocean. Salinity is calculated as the amount of salt dissolved in 100 gram of seawater. Second, ISO halines are used on maps to show the salinity of different places. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. So right answer is B. First is incorrect. Second is absolutely correct. First is incorrect because salinity is amount of salt dissolved in 1000 gram of seawater, not 100 gram. So that's why first is incorrect. Second is correct. Final question for today's session, question number 5. The average salinity of Atlantic Ocean is around A36 to 37, B34 to 39, C12 to 14, D15 to 59. So correct answer is A. The average salinity of the Atlantic Ocean is around 36 to 37. The equatorial region of the Atlantic Ocean has a salinity of about 35. So this is for today. If you like such short videos from Ankur IAS channel, then please like, do share and subscribe this channel. We will meet with such MCQs further also. Till then, thank you so much.